Alright guys, so what I've done is I've sectioned this off in the top here, as you can see, and what we're going to do is we're going to go probably about a number 1 or 1.5 throughout this side, the back, and the other side. Alright, so now the sides and the back are complete, and now we're ready to take this down and work into the top. So now for the sides, what I've done is I've kind of determined where I want the length to be. So I cut the side here probably to just about the top of the ear, the front a little bit longer to like the bridge of the nose here, and then we're going to go throughout the back following the same thing. And we're going to cut this straight across, going all the way to the other side. Now the other side, again, we're going to bring this down and we're going to cut the same exact way. We're going to cut the length to where it's just touching the top of the ear, and we're going to angle it so that's just slightly longer in through the front. This way it's balanced on both sides, and that when it goes back, we've got an even look here. All right, so now let's bring this back, and now we've got pretty much our length complete. All right, so it all goes back nicely, and we've got good balance. So what I want to do now is just create a soft layer throughout the top. We're going to hold this straight up, and we're going to cut it to where you can see the length right here. It's probably about 3 to 3.5 inches in length. We'll leave the top, the front just a little bit longer, and we're going to just cut this straight up. And by doing this, it creates just a soft layer, so it's got a little bit of movement to it, especially if you want to wear it in a variety of ways. So continue to do this throughout the whole top like this. You can make it slightly shorter as you get towards the back. Again, you want the front to be the longest part, and you can do this relatively quickly because we are working with just a certain a nice area right in through here. We're not dealing with the whole head. So finish this up in the back here, and then we will be ready to style it. Alright, so now we're ready to blow dry, and depending on how you want the look, you can lift from the scalp, and by lifting from the scalp when you're blow drying it, you're going to get maximum volume, okay? And volume means body, means lift, it means fullness in through here. So if you've got, thinner hair, you want to get that lift in through it. So I'm going to blow dry using that technique, and then we'll put a little bit of styling product in, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so the blow dry is complete, and as you can see, even with no product in it, it's got great volume. So I'm just going to use a little bit of a dry wax. You can use a cream, nothing too stiff, nothing too waxy or heavy, and you just want to kind of work it through like this. And all you're looking to do is just get a little bit of control and a little bit of workability in through the hair. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. I just want to show you once again, as you see all the way throughout the back, here's the look, and depending on however you want to wear it in the back is totally up to you, but basically it all goes back like this. You could even do a mini ponytail if you want, like this, kind of a small little man bun there if you want.